Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I will show you how to install current Eclipse version on your Windows machine. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you can open any of your browser and simply search for Eclipse download. And herein guys, you can see the search result. The official website is eclipse.org. You need to click on this link. Now it will redirect you to downloads page, and here just scroll down and you can see we have option of download. Just click on this. It will show you two options. One is download x86 underscore 64. Another is download r64. So we are going to select first option, x86 underscore 64. So again it will take you to this page. Here you need to simply click on download button, and here you can see it's showing thank you for download and your download has been started. It will not take more time, and guys, you can see the download is done. Now to start the installation, I'm going to simply click on this exe, and here guys you can see the Eclipse installer has been started, and here it is showing different options: Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer, and so many options we have. So we are going to take first option, and now here under Java VM, we are going to select this option JRE, and then this is installation folder. In this location, your Eclipse will be installed, and we will be keeping this two check mark, and we are going to click on this install button. And then guys, here it will ask you permission, so you need to click on accept now button, and your installation will start. So this process will take a while, so we will wait for it. So guys, now here you can see the installation is done and it's showing launch button. So I'm simply going to click on launch button. Later on you can search in Windows Eclipse, you will get. So my Eclipse ID has been started, and here it's showing me a launcher. So this is the directory where your project will be stored. If you want to change, you can click on browse button. Otherwise this is the default location, and simply click on this launch button. So now guys, Eclipse ID is started, and this is welcome screen. So here it's showing me this message, Windows Defender. So I'm going to select option exclude, and I'm going to click on yes button. So now let's close this welcome page and create a new Java project. So here I'm going to file menu and select new Java project. So now here we need to provide certain details related to project. So first of all, we will be giving project name. So here you can provide any name. So I'm giving project name as hello demo, and now here we have location where my project will be saved. So use default location is check mark. If you want to change your location of this project where you want to save, then you can uncheck and browse the location. I'm keeping the default one, and JRE do not do anything, keep the default one. And now scroll down, and here uncheck module info and click on next button. And now here it is showing the directory structure, that is my project name. Under that we will be having src, and here will be your output. Just click on finish button, and you can see guys, your project has been created. Just expand it. Under that you can see src folder. So we are going to create class inside this src. So just select src and right click and create class option. So provide name to your class. So here I'm giving name as hello world, and my class is going to be public. So modifier I'm keeping public. Then package name you can provide whatever you want. I'm just giving CS corner. And then now the last part is which method you want in your this particular class. So public static void method we want, because that is entry point for your class. So just check mark that and click on finish button. And guys, you can see your Java file has been created at left side. Here you can see hello world.java is created. Now let's go to code. Here we have package, class, main method. I have deleted comment, and I'm going to simply print a message. So guys, just type sys out and press control space, so it will generate system.out.println line. Otherwise you can type it. and in double quotes you can print whatever message you want and put semicolon, guys. So my file is ready, Java file is ready. I'm going to save it, so I'm clicking on save all button, and now to run we need to simply click on this play button. So guys, you can see the result here. It's showing me my expected output in this output tab. So guys, this way you can download and install Eclipse IDE and you can create Java project inside it. So guys, I hope by following my video you are able to successfully install Eclipse and you are able to create your first Java project inside it. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to like it, share with your friends, and if you have any query you can put your queries in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Guys, I'm having another channel, Code with Sunita, in Hindi, where I teach coding in Hindi. Certainly you can visit that channel, and if you are interested you can subscribe. Visit my website for free tutorial and notes. I have given all my social media link in description box. Certainly you can join or visit that. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.